This is kind of like,
This is the washer.
okay, this is like UMD ones, but sort of the same. We have this that looks so familiar.
$275.
Yeah.
Okay, this is real. We put
Heavy?
heavy.
Oh, heavy is more expensive.
This is light. Temperature hot. And then
Try again. Authorizing.
authorizing. Let's put that in.
Deny. Invalid type. So we should go. They might tell you which type. They can do Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Which one is that?
Visa.
That should work. Might be here.
Oh, that one goes there?
Yeah.
What do we put?
This is detergent and this is bleach. Wash, bleach.
Okay.
That's about it. Softener. I normally put liquid in. It didn't say that you can put pause in, right?
It'll dissolve.
Okay. That's a full load.
Light, normal, hot.
Okay.
Bad read, try again. I don't know.
See the smoke down there? GoPro, I don't know how to zoom in. There's smoke there. We are now supposed to walk across their campsite. People do smoke to chase the mosquitoes away. Other than doing the grilling just for food or just having the bonfire, also chase mosquito away. Okay, we are here again. Have to work this out. Authorizing.
Oh, here we go.
Awesome!
Sorry,
What did you do?
I don't know, we just got crying again.
Let's try again. Oh, stay tuned. Is it working? Is it working? Did I hit yes?
I don't know about that. What did I do with the card?
It wasn't free before. What did you do? Or just magically worked? So like 30 minutes and we'll come back for a dryer. Can you see the moon? We got that to work, so let's go back now.